iZebediela Citrus Farms yayikade iyeyona inemveliso eninzi ye-orange ne-grapefruit kwi-Southern Hemisphere. Yayikade imveliso yale fama ithunyelwa eMelika nakumazwe ase-Europe. Kwatshintsha abanini bale fama yanikwa iVyatlati Community Property Association emva kozengezenge lenkqubo yembuyekezo yomhlaba. Abasebenzi banyanzelisa ukunikwa umyinge we-15 ekhulwini yebunini izabelo. Imanyano yabasebenzi iFAO ithi isebe lezolimo maliyibeke le fama phantsi kolawulo.
One of the demands in the memorandum that we are carrying today is that the farm must be placed under administration, because from 2016 things has never been normal. So unless the two factions of the CPA, which are rivaling each other, resolve their issues, we think that things will not be right at the farm. So as a result, we are saying the department must take over the operations in the farm until the two factions resolve their issues, because as and when they are fighting, the people who are suffering are the workers.
Abasebenzi bathi abakahlawulwa imivuzo yabo susela ngoDisemba.
She says, "We have not been paid since December last year. We don't want to be paid from the proceeds of the farm. We want to be paid by an investor. It is difficult for us because we have families to feed. Our children must also go to school, but they are not paying us."
Umphathiswa wezolimo eLimpopo uthi uza kuziqwalasela izikhalazo zabo basebenzi.
I said to the HOD, you must make sure that we pay the workers in December. And a budget was put for that, because the company that is working with you, that we have signed a contract with, has a problem.
Abasebenzi banike umphathiswa iintsuku ezisixhenxe ukuba aphendule kwizikhalazo zabo. Bakwamajele kwi-ofisi yenkulu baphathiswa becela ukuba ingenelele.